We are in Midtown West today. Let's take a look at this beautiful, enormous 3-bedroom apartment. This is a 4th floor walk-up. Let's just jump into one of the bedrooms here. This could easily fit a queen. Great window exposure over 53rd Street. Great closet space. This room could easily fit a queen. 2nd bedroom. Got some exposed brick here. This can easily fit a queen too, and it's got a balcony. No, that is not a fire escape. Again, great closet space. Look at this enormous living room. This is kind of unheard of. You have room for an enormous sectional sofa, coffee table, entertainment center, perhaps even dining area here. Great stainless steel appliances, built-in microwave, dishwasher, granite countertops, a lot of counter preparation space, full-size washer and dryer. And the 3rd bedroom, this could actually fit a king. So we have 2 queens and a king. Come on down to Midtown, take a look. This might be your next home.